In this video, I'm going to tell you why you need one of these to manage your business and to skyrocket your business. So let's get straight into it. So this right here is a calendar. It's a whiteboard calendar, which as you can see, I wrote on it. I wrote my own things I need to do every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You write down in this area what you're going to do every day the night before. And then once you wake up, you start accomplishing the things that you did. For example, here I have test Wii U. I recently got a Wii U that I needed to test. I've tested it today. Now what I do, I go ahead and erase it because I've already done it. And the more you erase, the more things you have completed. And the things that are left, today's Tuesday. See, some things are not erased in Monday, but they're still here. So what do? These are the stuff that I didn't do Monday. So this stuff gets pushed down to down here. And then let's say I do this one, but I don't do this one, then and it's Tuesday's over, now it's Wednesday, then this gets pushed down to Wednesday. So now every single time I complete any of the things that are up here, I erase it to know that I've already completed it. Whenever you have something like this and you write down your ideas and the things you need to do the night before, you do not have to remember the things that you have to do every night, or you do not have to write it down on your phone, because this is a lot easier. You write it down, set it on your desk, wake up, and you see this, and it's written down for you, and you know what to do. I went to Target and paid $8 for this, so you don't have to pay much. This is one of my best business purchases by far. I love this thing ever since I bought it on Sunday. So guys, I really recommend getting something like this. What should you write down on a whiteboard? Let's say it's Tuesday night, and on Wednesday, what should you write in the Wednesday spot? So what I would write is, right now I'm filming a video which probably won't get edited tonight. If it doesn't, then I write down on Wednesday, edit recent video. So I know that I have to edit this video. Or a different one is if you need to do research into some products, or a very big one is which I like to write down, is send buyers offers. So a lot of times I forget to send my buyers offers, and if I write it down right here, and if it says it, I just go on my laptop real quick and get it done because it's written down right there, and I see it's an easy one to do and I need to do it, so I go ahead and do it because of me seeing it on this whiteboard. So it's very important to write down the things that you really need to do. Also, this is totally optional, but what you might want to do in every single section, you put a slit through the middle, a line through the middle, and then let's say this section right here on the left is the more important stuff, and this stuff on the right is the stuff that you could do later if you really didn't want to do it that day. So what I like to do, I do retail arbitrage, and what I like to do, I have a lot of receipts. I keep the receipts in this drawer in front of me, and I write down, as you can see right there, it says Target, Walmart, and Ross, and I wrote down the dates that I have to return the stuff that I bought if they don't sell. If it doesn't sell, these are the dates that I have to return it by. This is very helpful too because you don't always have to be looking at the receipts. You don't always have to be looking at, the times that you purchase the items. You just look right here, and I also wrote down the dates on the side right here, so then I would easily be able to match up the dates and all that. But overall, I really recommend people doing this. It's very, very important to make a business, and if you're running a business and you have multiple businesses especially, then you're gonna need something like this. Anyways guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.